Welcome to this unboxing video. Sorry for that finger. So this was a bit of an unplanned model, but I thought that it's so special that I should get it as quickly as possible, as fast as possible. So I got it, and I'm very happy about it because I would be crying if I would not get it. No, just joking. It's pretty rare. Like for once, it was pretty common. It was just like each decaf store, but now I got it in Poland for pretty cheap. It was like $25. So for this limited edition, um, it's not called limited like the Boeing C-40 that I got, the U.S. Navy one, but it's just more special. It doesn't even have the flap, the like. Usually, Gemini jet boxes. I don't think I have the normal one anywhere near me. I don't see it. No, I have a Copa, but it's far away. I'm not gonna get it. They usually have like a flap with information on it. I think usually South doesn't have it. So yeah, let's get to the unboxed version. So let me take it out of the box and see you in a sec. So this is the beauty. I just want to show you how this looks like in the box. This is the real box once again. And yeah, 1 second, I'll see you in just another sec to give it just the airplane. So this is the aircraft. Let me show it from different perspectives. As you can see, it's in the Florida 1 livery. Yep, has it on the engines everywhere. And even the wheels are on the colors. And the last look with the whole fleet. Okay, thank you guys. See you next time. Bye.